Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I will show you how to create a Flutterwave account step by step today. First, choose either personal or business account on the Flutterwave sign-up page. Have your valid government ID, a recent proof of address, and your phone ready. Enter a working email, create a strong password, and confirm the password. Accept terms, complete the CAPTCHA, then click Create Account to proceed. You will get a verification email with a 6-digit code. Enter the code within 24 hours and return to your dashboard to continue setup. After sign-up, complete KYC to unlock payment acceptance and higher limits. Choose individual verification or business verification depending on your account type. Upload a clear government ID, a selfie, and a recent bank statement or utility bill. If you register in Nigeria, provide your BVN to speed verification. BVN is required. Business accounts need CAC number, memorandum, and shareholders list as PDF files. Verification usually completes within 48 to 72 hours, depending on document clarity. You will get email updates and dashboard notifications about approval or required corrections. Set up your business profile, enter your legal business name and contact details. Link a bank account for settlements by providing account number and bank name. Confirm your bank by micro deposit or instant verification depending on the bank. Enable test mode and integrate using public and secret test API keys first. When ready, request live keys and provide proof of operations to Flutterwave support. Expect review and live key issuance within 24 hours after submission in many cases. Review pricing, set webhook URLs, and test payments before processing customer transactions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.